Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga exciting things na parating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So, let's see, Libra. Ano tong exciting things happening sa inyo in the next 2 weeks for Libra? Exciting things happening sa mga Libra in the next 2 weeks. You have the 11th house, you have Capricorn, and Mercury. Oh, I see good news pagdating sa career or sa grupo na kinabibilangan ninyo. Mercury is the planet of communication, learning. So, maaring meron kang opportunity sa work na maaring bibigyan ka ng training, ipapadala ka sa ibang bansa, or pwede rin tong merong pag-angat ng pwesto mo, no? Promotion for some of you. With the 11th house, this like you are being recognized by a lot of people. So, maaring may award na marireceive in the next 2 weeks. Ito yung mga pinag-aralan mo, ni-research mo, or even sa performance mo. I also see travel for you. Like, short travel lang to. Pwedeng local travel na kung saan may madadagdag na knowledge para sa'yo. So, yun nga, pwedeng ipapadala ka sa ibang lugar for training. And I think mas magiging focus ka sa goals mo pagdating sa career path mo. 11th house is also about your connection to your community, to your contacts. So, kung kayo ay in the public service or someone na mas open kayo sa public yung career ninyo. Let's say you're entertainer, nasa social media, you are content creators. So, there's a lot of learning here that I'm seeing. And ang Capricorn energy kasi is kapag trinabaho mo, kapag pinaghirapan mo, you did all the sacrifices, you will get the result na dinideserve mo, na gusto mo. Okay? So, it's like achieving something. So, in the next 2 weeks, you will achieve a very important project or goal sa buhay mo, no? It's like a wish fulfillment for you. Related sa pag-aaral, sa knowledge, or even sa sasakyan, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, in the next 2 weeks, kung meron kayong plan to have your own car, or meron kayong gusto nyong gawin, or i-modify sa sasakyan nyo, magagawa nyo yan. Okay? You have flying fish, you have snake, and the tree of life. Okay. The tree of life, this is growth. So, career growth for some of you. Pwede rin tong sa business ninyo, may mas umuunlad yung inyong negosyo, lalo na kung medyo feeling stuck kayo in the past, no? So, maaring meron kayong mga gagawin na mga changes, at yung changes na yung mga pagbabago na yung nagagawin nyo, meron dito magiging pagbabago na dadalhin sa sitwasyon nyo, sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, na para mas maging maunlad. This is about blessings. This is about support. So, I see you receiving blessings. Blessings of abundance. Also, yung support na kailangan mo from the people around you. You have the snake. Itong snake is, it symbolizes change. It also symbolizes healing. 'Di ba? Yung mga doctors, kung mapapansin nyo, yung parang pinaka-symbol or logo nila is like snake kasi it's about healing, pagpapalit ng balat. This is transformation. So you are transforming to a brand new you. It's bagong ikaw. There's progress para sa'yo. So it makes sense with the tree of life, no? Progress. So if in case no you are in a situation na nagkasakit kayo or meron kayong kailangang ayusin sa health ninyo, in the next 2 weeks you will gain strength, you will gain power. So maibabalik nyo na kung ano yung lakas na meron kayo before or even stronger than before. Okay? You also have the flying fish. Itong flying fish is a leap of faith. Paglalakas ng loob. Pagkakaroon ng adventure sa buhay mo. Willingness to explore new things. Kasi di ba yung mga fish, nasa tubig lang sila. And yung mga flying fishes, parang yung fins nila mas malaki. Mas malapad na may ability sila na parang tumalon or umalis sa tubig for quite some time. So, that's what I'm seeing for you. Taking a leap of faith, maglalakas loob ka to finally do the things na kailangan mong gawin for yourself or para sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-explore sa buhay mo. So, yung iba sa inyo pwede ring mag-abroad, no? Kung meron kayong plano na mag-abroad, maaring may opportunities na darating sa inyo. Syempre, kailangan ikaw yung mag-take ng action yan. Wala namang kakatok sa bahay nyo at sasabihin na, Libra, gusto mo bang mag-abroad? O ito na. So, you really have to explore the opportunities around you because you'll never know. Oh, you have the Queen of Wands. This is about exploration. Very creative ka rin. And travel. Okay? Ooh! Yung iba sa inyo, seafarer. Oo. Maaring rin may pagkakataon rin kayong mag-aral kasi 'di ba yung pagiging seaman or seawoman yan, inaaral na rin ngayon yan. Course, there's a course, certain course. So if you are into that, no, this is the confirmation na mangyayari. Okay? It will happen. You also have the King of Cups, ang daming energy ng rito, boat. So yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magiging part kayo ng cruise ship. Magtatrabaho kayo sa cruise ship or yung iba naman kung hindi to trabaho, this can be an experience to be on a cruise ship for a period of a week or 2 weeks or basta magta-travel kayo through a cruise ship. You also have the Five of Wands. I think mas magiging competitive rin kayo. May mga tao na pwedeng sila competitive sila sa iyo or will challenge you. I-challenge ka sa galing mo. But ipapakita mo rito kung ano talaga yung kakayanan mo. Okay? You also have the Three of Pentacles. This is collaboration, working with others, expansion in terms of your finances. So pwedeng meron kang contract na pipirmahan in the next 2 weeks. So this is exciting for you. Pwedeng kontrakto sa business, sa trabaho, no, na mag-open ng bagong opportunities for you to grow, to improve, to expand. Oh, you have the ring. Ring is about commitment, no? Kumbaga, you will feel committed to a certain situation that can be trabaho mo, career path mo. And the more na committed ka, the more na meron tong maibabalik sa'yo na mga blessings dahil committed ka eh. Kumbaga, consistent ka sa ginagawa mo. You know, alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mong actions na dapat mong gawin. You also have fish. So, fish is it symbolizes abundance, no? This is about prosperity. Meron kang fortune na makokolek or maaamas starting ngayon na in the next 2 weeks. So, in the next 2 weeks, maaaring may ideas ka na gusto mong i-pursue or gawin. Can be a business, trabaho, or opportunities elsewhere. Ang lakas ng energy ng pag-abroad para sa inyo, Libra. So, kung may bala kayong mag-abroad or kung nagtatrabaho kayo ngayon sa abroad, marami pang opportunities na darating sa inyo. You also have a house. Yung iba sa inyo, makakabili kayo ng bahay or makakapag-relocate na kayo sa place, sa country, sa bansa na gusto ninyo. Okay? So, also have lighthouse. Don't doubt your worth. Yes, you are always enough. So, ito yung inyong affirmation sa sarili nyo. You are enough. Sapat kayo. Okay? Kasi yun yung magbibigay sa inyo ng lakas ng loob, tiwala sa sarili nyo, na kaya nyong gawin yung mga goals ninyo. Kung kaya nyo isipan, ibig sabihin, kaya nyo gawin. What your mind can conceive, your body can achieve, diba? So, don't doubt your worth because you are more than enough. Okay? Ayan. So, just focus on what you want to achieve in the next 2 weeks and work on it kasi nandyan na. Andyan na yung opportunity sa inyo. Kailangan nyo na lang talagang mag-take action and execute whatever, kung anumang direction yung gusto nyong tahakin. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.